Welcome! On this channel, we teach Chinese recipes at home. Today, sweet taro buns. Please note the ingredients, then we will start to make the step-by-step recipe. Let's start by preparing fresh taro for filling. We steam these thin pieces of taro until completely soft. This steaming makes the taro tender and mashable. Now we mash the softened taro until smooth. We enrich the filling with coconut and butter. Now we balance sweetness with vanilla and salt. We chill the filling so it firms nicely. Now let's activate yeast for fluffy dough. Pour in the warm milk, add the sugar and yeast. Whisk gently until foamy. We combine flour and salt with yeast mixture. Kneading builds gluten for soft, airy buns. Now we rest the dough for 1 hour. After resting, we divide dough into portions. We flatten each piece for filling, thick from center. Now we add our chilled taro filling to the center of the dough. Seal the filling from all sides completely to prevent leaks. We proof the buns again until they are slightly puffy softly. Now we steam buns gently over rolling water until perfectly fluffy. Look how incredibly soft and fluffy these buns turned out. We add beautiful shine using a gentle egg wash on buns. Serve warm and enjoy these sweet taro buns with jasmine tea. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned with me for more delicious Chinese recipes.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends. For more delicious recipes, visit dintaifungmenu.com.